I'm going to give a group symbol to everyone. Let everyone feel the energies of that symbol. But before that, I want everybody's grounding to be done, because sometimes the energies are so high. Some people might not be able to take it, or some people might feel a little bit heavy or little bit tired. And as it is, everybody has worked so hard today because of Ashtami and done so much of seva. So I would like to give them a small relaxation healing for them, a grounding healing for them, so that they should feel grounded, and then they are able to take the healings of the symbol as well.
Fantastic. Two quick questions, Bhumika. A, do we need to be sitting, lying down? If we're driving, do we take this on or not? If you're operating heavy machinery, cooking, anything, just give us,
So
what
there
if
is
any.
no hard and fast like that
Okay.
anything. The one who are sitting on the chair, they can just put your feet on the ground. The one who are working can continue working. The one who are driving can continue driving, or it's okay. The grounding healings will reach to everyone.
Fabulous. And you said you're giving a group symbol.
Yes.
Is this something that was pre-decided, or you're going to be doing it intuitively, energetically for the group right now?
Right now, since the group is in front of me, I will feel the energies of the group after the grounding, and then there and there I will give intuitive symbol to everyone. It's like a group symbol I will give everyone now.
Oh, wonderful. How amazing is that? Thank you.
Thank
So,
you.
please take us through this.
Okay, so may I request everyone to sit comfortably, take a deep breath in, breathe out, relax your body, close your eyes, be in a comfortable position. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Imagine that a beautiful white and golden light coming from the universe, from the higher sources, coming down from your crown, going and reaching to each and every hair of yours, entering inside, moving in each and every cell of your body. Let it go down to your third eye. Feel the vibrations and tingling sensation on your third eye, moving down to your throat, moving from your facials, from your face, from your ears, eyes, cheeks, lips, teeth, tongue, going down to your throat, from your throat, it moves down to your heart. Let the white and golden light go to your each and every cell of your body. Let the white and golden light be there. Move your attention to your foot. Imagine that a pink and purple light coming out of your foot, going down to Mother Earth, deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Visualize pink rose cords under the ground, which is very beautiful in shape, shining and bright. Tie your lights over there. Take the pink energies from there, coming from the Mother Earth, moving to your soul, moving to your soles of your feet, coming up on your toes, moving on your ankles, coming up on your calves, going to each and every cell of your legs, coming to knees, moving up to thighs, coming up to your root, coming up to your sacral, coming to your solar plexus, moving on your back, on your each and every cell of your back, moving up to your heart. Let the energies mingle up, move to your entire body, to your hands, to your fingers, to your nails, each and every cell of your body. Try to lift your feet. It is unable to lift, and you feel it is grounded very strongly, very powerfully. There is this beautiful smile coming on your face. And this energy is not only creating the grounding, it is making you feel strong, positive, energetic. With this, you feel vibrant, feel the energies of golden, white, purple, and pink light. Feel the energies. The moment you feel the energies and the shine in your eyes, the smile on your face, you can slowly and gradually open your eyes. Come back to your space and enjoy the energies. Sip of water.
Thank you for that, Bhumika.
Now, if everyone is ready, I can give the symbol and feel the energies of the symbol. If you want, you can draw the symbol on a piece of paper with your red pen. Please draw this money symbol on the piece of paper and take your right hand, keep your right hand on the symbol and feel the energies of this symbol. Please draw the symbol with red pen or a red crayon or a red sketch, whatever is available with you. Feel the energies. Give yourself 1 minute, 2 minutes, just 1 or 2 minutes. Feel the energies and see the difference. Most of you or some of you will definitely get a news for your money.
Bhumika, can you
Yes.
can you use the pencil point without drawing and just give everybody? I think one Mita's written in. Can you show the symbol? I did not get it. Mita, it's on the Zoom screen, and Bhumika, if
You want me to draw again?
yes. So it's tilted, Bhumika. The line coming down, it's not straight. Right?
No, I did not get a proper space, so I just
Okay.
drew it tilted
All
one.
right.
That's it.
Okay.
It is
Okay.
actually a straight.
Straight, because actually that is what I do, straight.
Yeah,
Let's
it's perfect.
video.
Yours
Okay.
is perfect.
Oh, awesome. In fact, the first time you drew it, I was looking at it and I was thinking it almost looks like
Like
the top of a
tree,
snail, of a snail.
snail.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know the hard shell of a snail? It's
Uh, while drawing this symbol, can I share the experience why it has come like that?
yes, please.
2 3 things came up in my mind because it's if you look from far, it looks like a tree, and if you look the spire, the circles like this, that means wherever the money is stuck of yours. Let's say, for an example, if your money is stuck from here, it will rotate, and come back to you only.
Ah, in
So, so if your money is stuck anywhere, your money is definitely going to come to you, which is meant for you. This is for sure.
Bhumika, Nishna has written in that I don't have a red pen. I did it in blue.
That's okay if you don't have a red pen, but if you make in a red pen with your red pen, it will give you a good results. It is better if you draw it with red, but if you don't have red pen, it's okay with blue.
Okay.
But only thing is avoid using black for the symbols. So whatever symbols you draw it, make sure you avoid using black, or else if either ways. Now I'll just give you few more options to use these symbols. If you don't have a red pen, visualize, imagine that you are drawing it with the red pen. If you don't if you don't imagine in that way, just take a glass of water, draw the symbol on the water itself, drink it. Third thing, you can draw the symbol on your pillow and sleep. You can draw the symbol on your bed and put your bed sheet also. So anyways, it's okay. Either if you want to draw the symbol on the air, that is also fine. Just imagine that you are drawing it with a red pen. It's a red ink.
Right. In fact, Bharti's asked, is this like chokure?
No,
Actually, it's very different.
It
It's just, I think when you start drawing the concentric circles, it might remind you of
Yes, yes,
chocolate.
it reminds you like a chokure,
Yeah,
but it is not
yeah,
chokure.
but it's not. Correct. And Kamini ji's asked, this has to be drawn in one flow without lifting from the paper, correct?
Yes,
Right. And Hina is asking what to do after drawing.
you just have to keep it in your treasury box, in your money box, in your wallets, just to attract money. You can keep it in your pockets, but only thing is make sure that you don't fold your paper. It should be as it is straight. So you can keep it in your treasury box, you can keep it in your wallets, if you can keep it in your purse, you can keep it open. Just make sure that when you draw a symbol, you just keep it straight. Even in your cupboard, you keep it straight. It should not go on the opposite side. It should be kept straight.
Right. And in fact, Bhumika, you took us through a grounding, and then this is the symbol that came out that you were guided to, and that came out intuitively. You asked us to hold it as well. What next? Do we just keep this with us through the call? In fact,
Yes. Keep it on your table, keep it next to you, keep it with
right.
you. However, it is possible, please keep it with you.
And you know what? I actually had a 500 rupee note on my table, so I put the 500 rupee note on top of that.
So you're going to multiply that.
Again, Sahibraz asked, we only need to draw the symbol, nothing else needs to be done.
Nothing else to be done. Just draw the symbol. That's it.
Bhumika, you mentioned, okay, and alright, and people, okay, this is what I love about these telesummits, and I love, group work, and I love this group. There's immediately pictures that have come in about the way people have drawn them. Keep it posted. Awesome. Once the call is over, Bhumika will definitely come in, have a look, and get back to you about that. And Jeevat is asked, can we use a green pen?
Fine. Green is fine. Blue
Right.
is fine. Red is good. If you draw it with red, red is wonderful.
Lovely. Bhumika, you had said, you mentioned something just a little while ago after you finished the drawing. You said, hold it in your hands. And then you said something about something happening in 24 hours.
Yes.
So
Uh,
that,
you all are definitely going to get some news or anything. Any shift is definitely going to take place. Maybe you get the news of money, maybe you get discounts, maybe you get offers, maybe you unexpected amount, some or the other thing is for sure going to come your way. Could be it is possible that you get your pending check, maybe your cash back, maybe a news from your friend or family getting benefited before because of you, or a healer gives you any offer, or maybe lot business starts moving, maybe surprise from anywhere, gifts, policy mature. As Mayura got the policy from her mother, the same way, it is possible that even you can get a gift from somewhere, unexpected funds. Anything is possible for you.